Hello and welcome to our video of Set Fire to the Rain. Adele, let's start now. It's Miss Rose Tone and Sky, by the way. I'm quick. Subscribe now. And if my heart and you were found, you're also claiming it was dark and I was over you. Kiss my lips and just save me. Hands, my knees were far too. Stand in your arms without falling to your feet. Well, there's a side to you that I never knew. The things you say, they were never true. The games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour, touch your face. Girls and cries, hurry, screaming at your name. With you, I close my eyes to you. Forever, you and me together, nothing is better. There's a side to you that I never knew. The things you say, they were never true. The things you play, you would always win. I'll set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. And I cry 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Set fire to the rain, watch it pour to my face. And when it burns and I cry 'cause I knew that was the last time. When you come by the door, you will be waiting for you. Even though you're already open, I can hear myself looking for you. Fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Screaming at your name. Set fire to the rain, and yours to my face. When I knew that was the last time. Who? That's my name. Not Rebecca. Yeah, Rebecca. You know Rebecca. Together it's all Frank or Amy. Amy Gordon. Thank you, subscribe! We didn't do